What's up, vlog? We are in the Poconos, and it's a cold one. It's cold.
Last night was a movie. There's a dead rat here.
Did you touch it?
No, but oh wow. Oh, that's a smell.
Oh, look at that beehive.
Holy fuck! Oh my god! We have quite. These are actually my coworkers, otherwise known as bees. Landscaper's best friend and worst enemy.
Dude,
but
you get free honey.
Hornet, everybody knows
Hornet
hornets
honey.
have the best honey.
The hornets do have the best honey.
Look at that fucking bee's nest.
Ah.
That can't be safe.
It's a rat.
It's like a rat.
Alright, guys. See a beehive. You need a boost shake?
I'm gonna rip themselves open on some.
We're good. Huh?
Still not for sure. Mom, if you want to know, this is what Pat did. What are the chances?
It's weird. Pat actually picked it up and he said, "Fuck Dylan," and then threw it into the fire. Put them on the fire? Yeah.
Oh, hi.
To start a fire is
Got the bacon going.
I'm so good at cracking eggs. I wish I could do it one-handed. Fuck yeah! Did you see that? Alright. Well, I'm basically a chef.
And the adventure begins.
Somebody toss me a beer. Here you go, Jake. Woo! What a grab! What a save!
Sean, are you ready for the hike?
Yeah. Choking the fuck out of me.
I'm not trying to.
Oh.
We did it.
Alone in my apartment, I should have seen the warning sign.
Wait, we're all by your boy. Ah!
I think that my boyfriend's trying to kill me in the woods, so I'm gonna leave.
It was an accident.
We can earn a little peace of mind.
Basically, I don't know what that was all about, but this is so stupid. Oh,
We made it! We made it out!
me and Dylan are Lyme disease survivors, so
Life is more than what we've been told.
Winning at this. Oh! Look at. This is how it's done.
What are you guys doing in here? Come on. Go and get this content.
Oh, it's bedtime.
Get the content.
Bedtime is no content. Bedtime.
Why isn't your door closed?
Dude, it doesn't close. We broke the zipper.
Close the door, Sean.
The zipper's broken.
Saw the tent rocking from the fire.
No babies were created in the making of this vlog.
Oh, we got some more people coming.
I think we're all just gonna get in and take a
Oh,
nap.
good. This is great.
It's better in the small one.
hello.
Yeah, you guys want to? You guys can come. check
Sean, why
this
don't you
out.
shut the door?
It's broken. It's broken. I hate it. Oh, it just doesn't fucking. Isn't that fun? You can't sleep. You get a nice breeze and get through the night.
you guys are embarrassing me.
In sticks.
Look at this. I can do this all day. No
Start a
splitters.
fire. You
Ah! Yeah, dude.
Do you step in any bacon grease?
No, dude.
Jake left fucking bacon grease all over the place.
Alright,
I could have
All over the place.
alright, let's go see Dylan's tent now that we're looking at everybody's tent.
Give us the
Yeah!
You guys want to come to my crib? Let's go!
Keep our stuff outside.
Come on in!
Look at this.
Welcome!
What the hell is that?
things are gonna end up hurting you. Best case scenario.
You got him. You got him.
I got it.
Even with the warning sign. Please help me out. Frustrated this is the selfish world that we've been given. Oh, can we try and help each other out? So la la let me be. La la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let
Can't see the heat. Get out of the kitchen, boss.
Then get out of my kitchen. My kitchen's right here. The heat is fine.
The heat's up. I don't know if you're handling it.
No, I'm.
Then they throw that off.